Still works. Still works. Oh, actually pretty weaker than I expected. Let's put this battery back in. Maybe I can't. The battery's dead. Battery's banned. Oh no. Okay, redo. Yeah, this is gonna be a redo. Let me just install the battery back in. And then we're just gonna put it back, my back plates. Well, by the way, this is the parts phone. I stripped the front facing cameras and the rear cover, which had a smart cases that showing a circle. On the circle you can see some of the information, and I took the battery out of this one because it's not swollen. Yeah, my same Zenfone, I bought it for only 1,000 yen. Yeah, it's definitely in a bad condition. The screen is still bad. Well, even though I replaced the camera, it doesn't change because the screen is scratched so badly, making camera useless. The front facing cameras, and yeah, the screen's broken, rear cover is broken, battery's bloated. So I decided to strip the parts off of this one. So thanks for watching. See ya.